Hello everybody. I hope everything is going well with you guys. This is what we do. Make sure everything is working right here. The water and everything's running smooth. This is a pretty nice condominium. Expensive though, but it's nice. This is the kitchen. I'm gonna show you what it looks like over here. It's very nice. Has two bedrooms. And this is the second. You can see we have to fix them up. That one, the floor was down like 1 inch, so we have to remove the tile and we have to raise it up. And that's it. See you around.